Need a new roof? Here's why I chose McGrath Roofing. So, my roof? Let's just say, it had seen better days. I talked to a bunch of roofing companies, but one name kept standing out was McGrath Roofing in Philadelphia. From the first call, they were friendly and honest. They came out the next day and gave me a straightforward estimate, no gimmicks, no hidden fees. Their crew, super professional, on time, and clean. No stray nails, no mess, just a beautiful, durable roof built to last. If you need a new roof, don't waste time searching, just call McGrath Roofing. Philly's trusted pros for top-notch roofs. McGrath Roofing, call now, 215-317-9291. You won't be disappointed.